Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Hyundai or Kia with a GDI engine 2.4 GDI and you need to remove or replace harmonic balancer, also known as crankshaft pulley. Stay with us, we'll explain how to do that, what tools you need, and it's recommended to use special tools. We'll do it without special tools, but we will explain the right way to do it as well guys. So make sure you stay until the end. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. If you need to buy any parts, tools guys, for your Hyundai and or Kia for a good price, really good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. So let's go ahead, explain how to do that. This is the 2.4 GDI engine, that's how we're gonna have it in the car. We're doing an engine rebuild, and in the meantime we want to show you how to do it, and being out of the vehicle we can show you everything with a clear view, and you can see what we're doing. So let's go ahead, okay, and start on it now. Next we need to go ahead and get a, in our case, 14mm wrench, and we need to go on the tensioner pulley counterclockwise, remove the serpentine belt, pull it out. Perfect, just like that, comes out. Now right here guys, that's where things get a little bit interesting. This, okay, crankshaft pulley is actually keyed. Okay, you can install it only in one position because some modern cars, okay, in order to achieve perfect timing, they don't have a key, and once you remove that bolt, okay, the timing will be completely screwed and you can bend valves and everything will be off, and you need to redo everything and even rebuild the engine unless you use proper timing tools. In that case, on that specific generation 2.4 GDI that we have out of a 2013, actually we can go ahead and remove the crankshaft bolt. But how do you remove it and install it guys? There are two ways. One, without tools, which I do not recommend, without special tools, and two, with the help of special tools. If you have special tools, there are two possible ways. One, you need to remove the engine starter, okay, and you need to remove the intake manifold, and on the engine starter you install a device where it bolts to the flywheel and holds the flywheel, that way the crankshaft will not turn. Two, it's another device that actually guys, okay, let me see if I can get a good view. Right here on the, okay, you can see right there, that's the flywheel. You can install it on the bottom of the bell housing there, and you can lock the flywheel so it doesn't move as well. There are two different kinds of tools. I'll recommend the one for underneath, probably will be more convenient. If you don't have the tools, I will not recommend to do it, but we do it with an impact guys. We used our impact, and we got the air compressor, okay, with an air compressor right here. Let me show you this DeWalt little bitty air compressor. I'll put the link where you can get it from. It goes all the way to 165 psi, so it's great for little jobs like that, super powerful, and we pre-loosen our bolt, okay, with the impact. Now just impact the bolt, and once you pre-loosen it, okay, we can go ahead and, okay, simply remove it now. So try not to spin the engine backwards, okay, more than a little bit, because it's not good for the engine to go backwards. So we'll go ahead and just remove the bolt, the rest of the bolt. And the crankshaft pulley, also known as harmonic balancer, will just come out of there. You can see the key is right here, and the rest is on the crankshaft right there. Careful not to fall inside, because if you hit it, it will fall inside your oil pan guys, and you're in deep trouble. So you need to remove the oil pan to get it. So that's how you guys remove the harmonic balancer, also known as a crankshaft pulley. If you want to know what are the symptoms of bad harmonic balancer, crankshaft pulley, we'll have a special video on the channel that will explain that. Check it out, it's practically the same for almost any car. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.